Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and in today's video we are going to talk about how we can increase our meditation practice time. One of my viewer has asked me to make a video on how to increase the time for which we meditate. So in today's video we are going to talk about it in detail and we will see what we can do about it. So please watch the whole videos, and if you like my videos then you can also subscribe this channel. And one more thing, that if you want to talk to me, then I have given my Instagram ID in the description below, so you can just simply message me there. Now let's start this video. First, let's talk about whether you should actually increase the time of your meditation practice or not. So if you are a normal person, if your goal is to just become more mentally stable, then there is no strict rule to increase the time of your meditation practice. Just 20 to 30 minutes of meditation every day is good for you. So if this is the case for you, then don't try to increase the time of your meditation practice. Just become regular in your meditation practice, which is of 20 to 30 minutes every day. Now, if your goal is something else, for example, you want to be enlightened, or you are too much interested in spirituality, or for any other reason you want to increase the time of your meditation practice, then what you can do is what I do. So what I do is I simply focus on one long meditation session, which is of 1 hour. And once I become regular in it, once I'm able to meditate for 1 hour for a certain number of days, which is 10 to 15 days, then I add another meditation session, which is a very small meditation of 5 to 10 minutes in my daily routine. And then I slowly increase the time of this small meditation session. For example, if I'm regularly meditating for 1 hour in the morning, then I add a very small meditation of 10 minutes in the evening. And then I will focus to increase the time of this meditation session which I'm doing in the evening. So from 10 minutes, I will go 15 minutes, from 15 to 20, from 20 to 25. So this is how I will increase the time of my meditation practice. So this is the thing which I do, and you can also use this technique to focus much more on your meditation practice. You can use this technique to actually increase the time of your meditation practice. So I hope I have given you the correct answer. Now if you still have any question or any doubt in your mind, then you can always ask me in the comment section below. Or if you want to talk to me, then you can message me on Instagram. I have already given my Instagram ID in the description below. And if you don't know how to meditate, then I have posted a very detailed video on it. So you will get the link of that video in the description below. Now, if you have liked this video, then you can also subscribe this channel. Or if you want to support me, then you can join this channel and become a member. Or you can also support me through Google Pay, Paytm, or through UPI ID. You will get the details in the description below and also in the end of this video. So this is all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.